Hey everybody, Omega Given here. I was looking at Alibaba recently, which is a site where you go and order in bulk from a supplier to then maybe customize that order a little bit and then resell that item on Amazon or another site as maybe merchandise for your stuff. Maybe plaster your logo on it and resell it. So, because I was doing this because I was maybe thinking, should I get merchandise for my channel just for the fun of it? I just think it'd be a fun thing. Like if I had $1,000 free to order a nice big bulk order, just try reselling it. I don't know. It's a fun, interesting idea of making money, which you'd probably not make that much money the first time around, but it'd be a good experiment. But at least make a 100% return on investment, at least. But let's look at this discovery I made. So let's go over my desktop view. This is a desk pad that you get from Alibaba. You can get for about $1 for up to 100 pieces, plus shipping after that, which could cost a bit depending on price and such. But you can also get a sample for about $7, and it'd probably cost $10 to $15 in shipping, which is very interesting. Keep that in mind. So this is a desk pad, right? Let's go over to Amazon, which I have this pad, which is basically the same thing. Maybe. It has Etch Smart right there. It's a name brand thing, right? It should be very different. Etch Smart, right? But let's go back here. Let's look at something really fun. Wait, look at this logo and the cord. It's the same thing. Same thing completely. And this one's for $20 when it's on sale. So basically, you could buy from a person that's trying to resell it and give them money because they'll buy in bulk, or you could order from Alibaba. I don't know, it's kind of interesting. So I'm not saying don't order from them because you're probably going to be paying about the same price either way. It's just that they ordered in bulk, so they got it for a lot cheaper, so they can make a little bit of margin on that buying in bulk. So it kind of makes me realize, though, it's like you can get things from Alibaba, like samples and such, that are very interesting, that are from Amazon. Like this is how people make money on Amazon, and it's just very interesting, especially on a product like this where I'm like, I would love a desk pad. Why don't I get a custom desk pad from Alibaba and maybe resell it on my channel? So it shows possibilities. It's kind of very interesting. I just never really have put two and two together. Maybe some other people that watch this video have, and they're like, hey, yeah, obvious. But I don't know, it's kind of fun little discovery for me. It's finding literally the exact same supplier for this same desk pad from Amazon. So it's like, this is the supplier, and this is the resale person on Amazon. So it's kind of interesting. But yeah, if you think this is kind of interesting for yourself, yeah, like and subscribe. I don't know, I like to share my other stuff on this channel because I just think it's really fun to show these kind of things. I'm starting to post a little bit more again on this channel, which is my Omega Solution channel. I don't know, if you guys like it, then yeah. You go check me out on Omega Given channel, which is my gaming channel slash whatever channel. It's my main channel. But yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you all later. Bye bye.